Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace a back glass in your Galaxy Note SE. Since you can see one right here. And here's the back cover. I bought it. I want a different color. I don't like this one. So anyways, you need to hit up the back cover really well. All the way around the foam. Okay, now you can use a knife or something and just start from one of the corners and try to lift it up slightly. Okay, I just slightly lift it up on one of the sides so you can see. And then I'm gonna use my pry tool to go all the way around the glass. If you need to use some more heater, feel free to use as much as you need. And it's gonna crack. I need some more heat. Okay, that should be enough. It's coming off a little bit easier. Okay, this side is off. Now I gotta go this side. Okay, it's coming off. Be careful, you have a power cable. It's connected to the motherboard and the back, so don't lift it up. Go very slow. Lift it up very slowly once you remove the back cover. Okay, this side needs more. But it's coming off really easy. Don't go too much in. Okay, now try to lift it up from one side, like one of the sides. Once you can do it. And like you see, there's the cable inside, all the way right there on this side. Disconnected pretty easily once I was opening. You can see it's right here for the power cable. So that's how you replace your power button if you want, or I mean fingerprint, I'm sorry. And then you can remove this camera glass and install your new one. You'll need to remove all these parts from the old one to a new one. It's still hot, so I'm just gonna pull out this part. It's coming off pretty easy. Try to get your adhesive too, if you can. If not, just use some adhesive, new one. I'm just gonna reuse this one, as you can see right here. because I don't have a new one, so I'll be using this one back. So here's the new back cover, back gloss. I'm gonna remove this adhesive in the back. That's how you replace by camera glass, like same way. You'll need to remove this back glass. You just have to do it really carefully. You'll have to take your time so you don't crack any more sides. Clean and make sure there's no glass in the camera or anywhere. And then install this thing first. Make sure your cable is hooked up. This stuff. Okay, now it's hooked up. Lay it down over the camera and then install your back gloss. Already has adhesive in the back, so it's really easy to install. So here it is, just like new. Everything has been fixed. Go all the way around the corners, make sure it's fitted pretty good. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up and then like it and subscribe. We'll be doing more phones. Thanks again for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.